Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. Are you looking to get your family engaged and play games? Well, Balance is a fun game with building blocks. I am always excited to get a 13-year-old engaged in something other than an electronic game. And this game of Balance made us laugh and have a great time. We used the small deck of cards that gives direction on which shape to use. There's even a reverse card and a pick two card. We made sure to shuffle them so we can get a good game going. Balance was just the right amount of fun for us. Balance helped our little ones learn different shapes and how they can connect together, problem solve with their hand-eye coordination, and most of all, it was just fun to see them use their imagination to build and balance their shapes with this game. So get your family engaged with this great game, Balance, with building blocks. Our family had a great time playing it, and I know you will too. But that's just my point of view.